Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and I'll be showing you one more temple, teak wood temple in teak finish, as per the requirement of the client, because we make customized, bespoke, made to order temples. This is 5 feet out and out, left to right. The total height is 7.5 feet. This is a Gopuram style design. Front to back, this is 2 feet, again in a door model. This has got a big door, and when we have a big door, we make it in folding pattern. Just like the one you can see here, this is a folding door, and we have got bell design on front. So this is how we make it when we have a big unit, because if we make it a single door, it captures a lot of space here, and then it works as a partition instead of a door. The design you see is completely customized. The client has picked some part from one model, the door from some other design, and at the drawer area, if you see here, this is 20 inches high from the ground. It has got a big beer tray and a panel here, one panel here, and similarly one here. And the client wanted a lotus design on the drawer, so we got one right here. So this is the kind of customization we do. You select parts, design on which part how you want it, color you select it. This one is teak finish, high gloss with gold highlighting, as you see in some places, like the client wanted. So everything you see is customized, is made to client's choice, and that is what we do. Arson has more than 100 temple designs, and we can proudly say that no other company anywhere across the globe can show you this much variety. And there's something we can say with pride, that no other company anywhere across the globe can give you that much variety. And the best part is, no one offers the customization part, and that too in that detail, that you can change one part, or you can change the door design, or if you want the god's figure, you can place that. You want the Gopuram in a different style, you want something like a Shanku Chakra Tika on the top, you let us know. A lot of times it has happened, the person has drawn something on paper with a pen, just a drawing, and we have converted that to a reality. This is what our forte is. And if you visit our testimonial section, you will see a lot of pictures from different clients from different parts of the world who have received the unit, and they are happy with our work. We deliver all over India and outside India to most of the places. So if you are anywhere across the globe, and you're looking for a home temple, for a God's temple, an altar, Mandir for your deities, contact us. Let us design your home temple. Let us make that as per your choice, as per your practices. Because the practices, religious practices, do make a lot of difference. Just like an example, this is a beer tray. It is small in size. Many people, many clients have this tradition of offering food, and that's a number of dishes. That's called a chappan bhog to the deities, and at that time they need a very big place like a bhog tray. I have shown that earlier in earlier videos. So we make the entire big unit a bhog tray. That is a customization, and mostly you don't get when you talk to regular vendors who are not willing to take that much pain to understand your requirement. Have a look on the designs on our website and select yours. Contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Hope you like our work. If you have any questions for pricing or some discussions, the number is right here. Phone, WhatsApp, Telegram, any ways you can contact us, or you can email us, or you can visit our website and drop a message. Hope you like our work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.